Hello everyone, this is Korbin Bowman from Cycle City of Rochester, Minnesota. Today I bring to you the 2022 Kx250 and the Kx250x. Today I'm going to be telling you the differences and what's alike with these two bikes here. The Kx250 comes to a retail price of $8,399 and the Kx250x comes to $8,499, so just $100 more. But with that is you basically get a enduro trail setup that is specifically made for you. Comes with a skid plate, which the 250 doesn't. Kickstand, a little bit smaller rear wheel. It is 5 mils lower and it is geared for you enduro and trail riders. Unlike the motocross and supercross version, it is geared to be a screamer. They both have the same tank size with a 1.6 gallon gas tank, both liquid cooled, both have a dual overhead cam, have a 5-speed gearbox in both of them. The main differences between the two here is this one is made for you motocross, supercross riders, and this one is specifically made for you enduro and trail riders. If you guys have any questions on these two models, just give Cycle City of Rochester, Minnesota a call. Again, ask for Korbin Bowman. And I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day.